You start the story.
Okay, okay. So, once upon a time, there was a very lonely man. And to make him not lonely anymore, Jesus Christ! To make him not lonely anymore, he bought a bird. And he's like, this bird is going to be my new friend. And he took him home.
He was feeding the bird for the first time. The bird was in this big cage. But the thing is, the bird was mad that he was in captivity, okay? The man was trying to feed him, and the bird bit off his hand.
Dude, what? That's a strong bird.
There's blood, and there's blood.
He's still happy as heck.
And now his face looks more like, continue.
Okay. So the guy is on the phone was like 911 and he's all like help my hand it's just gone. I don't know my bird
Oh, my hand is gone. I just realized that has to be a really strong bird because like it's a
that's like a whole hand is gone. Anyway, ambulance arrives and they take him to the hospital.
Oh, I know what happens
Hospitals
next.
looks like.
The hospital looks like a cozy cottage with like a chimney. Oh, or a castle.
Continue.
Okay. But while the guy was in the hospital, the bird was planning his escape. He bit through the bars and he flew away.
Jeez, is this bird a robot itself?
You'll find out at the end. You can never spoil things too quickly. So he's flying around and everyone below him is like, look at that giant bird. What the heck? He's just strutting his stuff, doing his own thing. But he's loose and dangerous. Okay, your turn.
So he's chilling, right, at one of those telephone poles. And he's all like, finally freedom. And then he looks down and he sees a little girl walking with a pet bird on her shoulder. And, they're having fun and she's all happy and they're talking to each other. She has like a little hat on too, because I don't know. And he's all like, well, now I'm kind of sad because he wants something like that too. And he feels bad. And so he flies away to the weird hospital that looks like a cottage. He finds the man sitting in his room and he's all like, maybe I should go apologize to him. He's reading a book with one hand.
Oh, poor guy. Okay. Wait, so the bird, he tries to apologize, but he can't get in. So what he does is he just taps on the glass until the glass, like, totally shatters. And unfortunately, the glass falls on the guy and kills him before the bird can apologize.
Oh, gee. Oh, okay.
He dies with a book in his hand.
In his one hand.
And a story in his heart. But the bird is like, what did I just do? Oh, and then also the hospital people come in and they see that the bird murdered him. And then they're like, I know, call the bird police. Call the bird police. And the bird flies away rapidly before he can get caught.
Okay. I don't know how to work with that, but let's say, so, oh my god, I don't even know what that is anymore. So,
unfortunate circumstances, I know.
The bird, he's flying and he's all like really sad. He's all like, oh no, now the bird police are after me and I killed somebody who could be my only friend in this really cold world.
Oh, miserable world.
And then all of a sudden, I just realized like it's really hard to erase stuff, so hopefully that works. all of a sudden he sees that the little girl is back, and she's, feeding the other bird. And she sees him, and she's all like, "Hey, do you want some crackers or whatever you give to birds?" I should know this because my uncle has one. But so
Oh
he's
wait,
all
yeah,
like,
your actual uncle.
yeah, and he's all like, "Yeah, I'll take some crackers," and they end up kind of bonding over crackers.
Aww. I like this ending. I want to just end it like that.
The end.
Aww.
You made a friend. Forget
See,
about
even if you're a murderer, you can still find love.
Okay, that might not be the best message, but yeah, let's go with that.